Quality and comfort never go out of style. This home has upgrades in all the right places, with views and spaces for every occasion. The home has 2 living areas and a loft to entertain. With the pristine kitchen boasting tall maple cabinets and stainless steel appliances with tons of counter space and a big center island, you're sure to have all the space you need to entertain. In the evening, you can head up to your spa-like master suite and soak in your separate jetted tub. Need storage? This home has plenty. The builder thought that through too. Every room has a walk-in closet, and the master has 2. If you can't get enough of the views from the balcony upstairs, walk down to your covered patio and enjoy the professionally landscaped backyard. There's also an oversized 2-car garage with cabinets and a workbench. And don't forget about the separate extra tall garage for your boat or large truck. With this home, you can have it all. Your dream home awaits. For more information, contact Sharon Duffy at Coldwell Banker Legacy.